How to make over $100 playing a simple farming game. Now I wanted to do an update on this video. This is called Townstar. You can play Townstar by registering with Gala Games at gogala.co.uk. And I'm just about to complete my challenge for the day. They've changed the challenge just recently. Every day now that you complete the challenge, it gets progressively more difficult. So at the moment, I now need to collect 3,250 stars in a day today, and tomorrow that will go up to 3,500. That's to earn my town coin. At the moment, you'll see that this will earn me 1,415.17 town coin. So if we go to CoinGecko, we can go to CoinGecko and coingecko.com, and we can search for town, and we can put in 1,415 town coin. What is that worth? That's worth $111. So by playing this game today, completing this challenge in a single day will make me $111, which is still a very decent amount. But if we look at the chart, the price graph of town coin, it has been falling and falling and falling. So at the moment, my strategy would be to earn the town coin, probably sell it fairly quickly before it falls any more in value. But I'm keeping a close eye on this because town coin and Townstar from the Gala Games team, Gala Games really know what they're doing. And they are bringing in some other changes with Townstar in terms of how you actually create your Gala power, how you can earn town coin. And so once it starts to tick up, I think it could go very, very fast. So I'm still a bit torn as to whether to sell my town coin or to hold on to it. One thing I am doing at the moment as a strategy, just to let you know on this YouTube video, is I am selling my Gala coin back into stable coin, so USD Tether. I do that through Coinbase. If you've not got a Coinbase account yet, then you can grab one, link in the description. You get a bonus, I get a bonus for doing that. And that way I just play the game. I switch my Tether coin back into Gala coin, bring it back into my Gala account, play the game, collect my town coin, then I send my Gala back to Coinbase, convert it back into USD Tether, and that takes me away from the fluctuations in the cryptocurrency, so I'm back in stablecoin. That's my current strategy. That could change at a moment's notice, so I'm not saying this is something you should do. I'm just simply outlining what I'm doing at the moment in this game. You can see I've got a lot of NFTs. I have sold a fair number of my NFTs, but I've still got a good number. You can see I've got all these Voxes lined up here. I've got 10 Voxes. I've got some grape store NFTs. I've got a wheat store NFT, and these are not cheap, it has to be said. People seem to accuse and shout, you can't make $111 without spending a lot of money. That is true to a certain extent, but you're not spending the money, you're investing your money by buying NFTs. You still own these NFTs. You can sell them any point you want on OpenSea, so you're in control of that. You're not spending that money that you never see again. I still have 10 Voxes. I'm keen to hold on to these. I think they've got long-term potential, so that's my current strategy, and I'm happy with that. But do let me know any comments you have in the description below. Let me just go and complete. Just going to go and sell some more grapes just to finish that off and show you the collection of my town coin for the day. It's a really fun game. I still thoroughly enjoy playing the game. I think they may bring in some enhancements to make it even more addictive and good fun to play. So what they really want is people playing this whether they're earning or not. Now at the moment, obviously, because I'm earning, then I've got that vested interest to actually play it. But what they really want are people who are willing to play the game whether they earn or not, because that will generate advertising revenue potentially, or other sorts of income stream where they might be able to have small micro purchases for people for skins, for different characters and things like that. It's all played in the browser. This, it really is a fun game. There's multiple levels to it in terms of complexity, so there's lots to keep your interest in the game, and I think it can only get better. The guys at Gala Games, they are all, people who have worked at Zynga, at all the big game companies. They know what to do to make games really playable and massively attractive. So I think we're still early on that. Like I've said, if you want to play this game, Townstar, it's free to play if you want to just simply play the game. If you want to earn from it, you will need at least one NFT. The cheapest way to get an NFT is simply to become a gold member with Gala Games. So sign up with Gala Games at gogala.co.uk. Then sign up. You'll need to sign up using about $50 worth of cryptocurrency. So if you haven't got that yet, go and check out some other videos to work out how to do that. But that will get you a free NFT, which is actually this express depot here. So that delivers the goods faster to the nearby city. And so it's a very useful NFT to have in the game anyway. So that's me. I've now completed, it's gone green. I've completed my challenge for the day. You can see now I've got 3,280 points. I needed to collect 3,250, stars. So I click on collect rewards. Let's go and click on that, and this will update in just a couple of seconds here to show how much Towncoin I've earned. And here we go. There we go, 1,351. Actually, it's slightly lower than the 1,415, and that's because one of my NFTs will be a recent purchase and therefore is not qualified in this particular game yet. You have to have an NFT for at least 24 hours before it will qualify in the game. So that's the update. Hope you found that useful, interesting. If you've got any questions, do pass them in the comments. I will attempt to answer as many of those as I can. Subscribe to my channel if you're interested in making your money work for you, finding things online that can expand your money, grow your money. That's what my channel is all about. So do subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on any future updates, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.